Just asking people to describe the culture, you're more likely to get a generic response from that. You want to know stories that get told over and over again and what they reveal about the company's workplace.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I feel like we're kind of trying to one up. I was once asked, if you were a car, what kind of car would you be?
Nice.
They may be the farthest from retirement, but a higher percentage of millennials are contributing to their 401k than Gen Xers or baby boomers. This is according to a new report by Bank of America. About 82% of millennials are contributing to those 401k plans. That is compared to 77% of Generation X and 75% of baby boomers. This report comes as employees as a whole have taken a more active role in preparing for retirement. And are you looking for a job? Because Amazon may be able to help. They're getting ready to host a giant job fair for 50,000 positions. Amazon Jobs Day is happening August 2nd in a dozen locations around the country, and many of the positions will work in packing, sorting, and customer service at the company's fulfillment centers. Well, despite a global recall of the Galaxy Note 7 and scandal in the past year, Samsung is shaking it all off. It just had its biggest ever quarter of profits. The company says its net profit jumped nearly $10 billion from the one from April to June. Revenue also went up during that 3-month period by nearly $55 million. Samsung shares are also trading near all-time highs compared to the past year. We're about to hit one of the hottest times to buy a car, and we want you to save money. So coming up at 6:45, we're debunking car buying myths and showing you how to make sure you get the best deal on a new car. Britta.